morning, first class children. I hope everyone is ready now. Okay, so yesterday I had given the hard words, isn't it? So have you done the practice? And do you understand that lesson, yesterday lesson, what I taught you from past 3 days? Okay, so that lesson is very clear for you all? Okay, so the next one, shall I start the next exercise for you? First class children, I want to ask you, see, if you do the day by day practice, no, you can easily complete the then and there that particular work. Okay, and I am not stuffing with bulk of exercise. I am giving very little exercise, and minimum I am just giving the like very few 5 fill in the blanks and 5 question answers, 5 give to examples, name the following. Such type of exercise I am giving very less, because what, so it doesn't matter about the less or more, but you have to understand the lesson and the topic related whatever I am teaching to you all. Okay children, I hope so my lesson, whichever the way I had explained you had understand very clearly, and you have to follow regularly. Okay, listen the class twice and thrice, you listen it and try to understand the lesson. What, in which way I made you to understand, in which way I had explained you in very easy manner. Okay, so which lesson? Our green friends. Okay children, you tell me, have you done the practice of that I am a tall tree, tall and wide? Have you understand that poem? Okay, everyone is doing that practice at home. Keep on doing that recitation. Okay, so I am a tree, I am a tall and wide. Yes, you can do. What is that? I can give a flower, I can give shade, I can give you wood, isn't it? So don't kill me or I will cry. If you cut me, I will die. So this type of poem I taught you, isn't it? So keep on doing that recitation. One thing children, and the thing is what, now I am going to give you the give two examples. Write very neat handwriting, very slowly and without doing any mistakes. Okay first class children, I hope everyone is ready with the science class from, isn't it? Okay, so be ready with the sharp pencils. Okay, now I am going to start give two examples. Okay, come on, write down children, write the heading. You know the lesson number 3, our green friends. Write the lesson name, our green friends. Our green friends. Next one. Now get ready children, all of you. Write the example. Give two examples. Okay. Give two examples. First one. Come on. Write 2 fruits name. Sorry, it's not a cursive handwriting. Fruits name, any fruit. Okay. So A. What is that? First you will start with apple only, I know. My first class will start with apple. If I ask any fruit means. B. Another fruit. Mango. Anything. Custard apple is there, pineapple is there, papaya is there. You can get any fruit. But I had given very simple. A is apple, B is mango. Okay children. Next one, number 2. Vegetables. Yes, my children they have started giving the answer, isn't it? Very good. Everyone is giving the answer very fast. Place the hyphen mark and then you write. Write the spelling of carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot. Another one, you don't need of writing B-A or B. You will get confused. So better write directly answers. Tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O. Okay. Number 3. Dry fruits. What is that? Sorry. Dry fruits. Tell me, what are the 2 dry fruits? Yes. What is that? Almond. A-L-M-O-N-D. Almond, comma. Okay. Fig. Figs. next one you can write, okay, fix. The next one, 2 dry fruits, and you can write 2 pulses. You can write 2 pulses or 2 2 cereals. Okay, now fourth one, 2 spices. You can write otherwise spices. Tell me now. Pepper, Pepper, pepper. And another one you can write, for pepper, clove, Clove, clove. Okay. Fifth one, 2 seeds. Yes, what are the seeds? Peap and corn. Okay, enough. This is enough. Come on, say children. Fruits, apple, mango. Vegetables, carrot, tomato. Dry fruits, almond, figs. Spices, pepper, clove. Seed, pea, corn. Apple spelling, Apple. Apple. Oh teacher, we know the spelling already, we know. I know everyone know this answer, but when you came to first class also you should have to revise it. Okay. Mango, Mango. Mango. Very simple word, no? You will enjoy with this writing. Spell the word of carrot. 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 Which color? Is it red in color, carrot? No, teacher. Then which color? Orange color. Tomato. Tomato. Tomato is actually, it is a fruit, we used to say. It comes under both fruit or vegetable. Tomato. It is in which color? Red color, isn't it? Then apple, red. Mango, orange or yellow color. Okay. Dry fruits, almond. Okay. For badam, what you used to say? Almond. Spell the word of almond. Almond. Figs. 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 Pepper. 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 Clove. 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 Peap. Corn. Seeds. So, fruits, vegetables, dry fruits, spices and seeds. Okay children, this is enough. Now the next one. Next bit. Here no, teacher will draw some pictures. Which thing you get from plants, for that you have to give it tick marks. Okay. So from plants, whichever the things you are getting no, for that give a ticks. Put a tick mark for the things which you get from plants. Shall I start now? Come on, write down. Put a star in the box. Yeah, tick. Tick the items. Tick the items that we get from plants. Okay, which things you get from plants? For that particular item you have to tick. Plants నుంచి మనకి ఏం దొరుకుతుందో దాన్ని అవిటికి మీరు టిక్ పెట్టండి. ప్లాంట్స్ ఏం దొరకదో దానికి రాంగ్ పెట్టాలి. ఓకేనా? Now come on, get ready. See number 1. First one, I am drawing eggs. Yes, this egg from where you getting, you should have to cite. Okay, draw a simple box. Number 2, okay, apple. Okay, next, bottle, or you can draw a glass. Okay, draw a small box, children. Number 3. Okay, fourth one. Next one is flower. You can draw a flower. Okay. The next picture, fifth picture is which you are not getting from the things. You can draw. Then which things you are not getting. You can draw any other things, whichever you like. You can draw. Bottle. Okay. This is bottle. Another picture. Pot. Or you can draw brinjal. Okay. Seventh one, you can draw a pot. Ready, children? Now tell me, from where do you get this egg? Yes, from hen. Is it right or wrong? Wrong. Then what about apple? You get from plants. Give a tick. Glass, it's not from plants. Flower, it's from plant. Bottle, no teacher. Bottle you get from plants? No. What about brinjal? Yes, we get from plants. Give a tick. What about pot? No, this is not from plant. So give a wrong. Is it clear, children, all of you? So tick the items that we get from plants. Which items are getting from plants? Apple, brinjal and flower. Fruit, flower and vegetable. Okay. The rest of the things, egg. From where do we get egg? From hen, isn't it? Then what about this all plastic items? Are they getting from any plants? No. So this is wrong. I had given like this second exercise for you. Today, this classes, I am going to close it. Okay. Because why? If I give another exercise, you should not get confused. So I had stopped the class today by giving those pictures oriented exercise. Okay, first class children. ఇక్కడ వరకు నేను ఆపేసాను క్లాస్. రేపు మళ్ళీ నేను స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను. Tomorrow I will try to give you fill in the blanks and question answers. Few 2 question answers and we'll go with very few fill in the blanks. Okay, first class children. So let me say one thing, that please keep on doing the practice whichever the bits I had given to you on the board. Okay. Now let me close this class and tomorrow we will go with the next exercise. Okay children. Thank you. Take care.